What's up guys, welcome to real simple workout number 19 of the workout series. I thought I would do something a little bit different for today's workout, and instead of running through the movements, I'm actually just going to run through 5 rounds of the workout today and explain you through each movement that we're doing. Today's workout, we're running through a sequence of movements. So it's a reverse lunge on each side, into one squat, into one grinder, and then we will have to have, after each sequence, we have to have a 10-second rest, and as soon as that 10-second rest is up, we get to go through another round. In our second round, we're building on everything, so it's 2 lunges on each side. So I'll do 4 lunges here, into 2 squats, into 2 grinders, and then as soon as I'm done, I check my watch and I am after a 10-second rest again. So every round I do, I have to have a 10-second rest afterwards. And again, after that, we're going for round 3. So we'll be doing 3 lunges on each side, followed by 3 squats, followed by 3 grinders. The idea is in 18 minutes to get as big a number as we can, to get as many rounds completed as we can. And I just wanted to leave a little bit of time at the end of the workout to explain how, if we're not able to do a full lunge, that is totally fine. We're just trying to get as low as possible on those lunges. The same thing on the squats. And then when we go down to those grinders, if we can't perform them on our toes, we can scale it back to our knees. But the idea is to do the hardest version that we're capable of. So for today's workout, I wanted it to be something that was very easy to do in a really small space, and I might keep this trend going every so often so that you can literally set it up. You need no equipment, you can jump straight into the workout and you can follow along for the first couple of rounds with me, and then from there you can build into the 18 minutes and try and get as big a score as you can. Obviously, the idea of today's workout is to get that sequence done as quickly as possible, and then your 10-second rest, recover as fast as you can or as well as you can, and then building on that as the rounds go. But the idea, as I said guys, to get as far through it as you can in 18 minutes. Enjoy this workout today. As always, please like the video, comment below your score. We'd love to see how everyone's going. And lastly, if you haven't already joined our online community, there'll be a link below the video to do so. We do videos, we do nutrition, and we're just trying to create a community of people who are trying to better their lives, better themselves through exercise and through nutrition. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.